Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for September 29th to October 11th. September 29th to October 3rd, amplified flow is forecast across the nation, and we have a ridge here, strong ridge near the Aleutians above normal heights over Alaska, and also the North Atlantic with above normal heights along the East Coast. And then we have this trough extending from northern Canada into the central U.S. This pattern will favor a southward transport of polar air into the northern U.S. from the northern Rockies eastward to the Great Lakes. Summer lake conditions will persist across the Gulf Coast to the southeast. And then between these two air masses, there will be an area of rain and storms, and will be particularly heavy from the Central Plains and to the Midwest. Now we're going to have rain heavy across. Let me see if I can get to the period. So we have heavy rain here and here. Now sufficient cold air, here's the 540 line, might allow for snow to fall. And then we're going to have another area. Well, the snow will be from the northern Rockies to the northern plains, and then we have another area of heavy rain from the Gulf Coast to the southeast. So here's one area, but the 540 line is way up there. That's the GFS, and then the European. And here's a rainfall amounts in 6-hour periods. And it's not working, of course. Okay, and then we're going to see another area of rain, I said, across the south. Here into the Central Plains. Due to a moist and warm air mass in place. And then moisture from Rosa down here could spread moisture into the southwest early next week. You can see the moisture starting to spread in here. Here is it Tuesday. And then we have locally heavy rain here. This is Tuesday into Wednesday. Okay, another period for October 2nd to the 6th. And a strong ridge is forecast over Alaska, western Canada. And then we have a trough forecast off the west coast. And here we have our trough here. So the models of good agreement. So for this period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here. And I'm forecasting anomalies about 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures here. And forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. October 7th to the 11th. Most of our models are depicting this kind of pattern. We still have our strong ridge, but this lifts out to the north. We have a trough here in the west, ridge that remains across the southern U.S. with above normal heights in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures across this region here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees below normal, and then above normal temperatures here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation across this vast area, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 29th through October 11th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.